Hello and welcome back to Data Simplified, and today I'm going to be answering the age-old question of what is the difference between SUMIF and COUNTIF? Even more experienced Excel and Google Sheets users ask me this question, just what is the difference? People can't understand, as they often think that a count and that a sum are the same thing when they're two different things. So a count is when it counts every single value it sees as one, not as the actual numbers. Whereas a sum sums all of the actual numbers, all of the actual values that it sees and gives you a total. So to demonstrate this today, I'm going to show you SUMIF and COUNTIF using the same values, and you'll see why we get two different answers, and I'll explain that. So here I have some fictional information for a fictional clothing store. We have order number, age of customer, category of item, order value and quantity. And we're going to look at the quantity. So I will link the videos in the description below for both my COUNTIF how-to and my SUMIF how-to if you want to learn how to do those. This is just to explain the difference. So I'm going to whiz through the formulas a little bit. So first of all, we're going to do a COUNTIF on quantity, and we're going to count the values if they are 5. So we're going to get a count of how many times the number 5 appears in quantity. We have 17. So in quantity, the value 5 appears 17 times. So if we do a SUMIF, again, just going to look for that number 5. We get 85. You can clearly see that SUMIF gives 85 when looking at the exact same data range as COUNTIF when it gives 17. So why is this? Well, as going back to what I said at the beginning, SUMIF will sum up all of the 5s. It will sum up all 17 5s in the quantity in order to give you 85. Whereas COUNTIF just counts every time that it sees a 5. So that's how we know there are 17 5s there, and 17 5s are 85. So COUNTIF counts all the 5s as though they are 1, giving you a count which is 17, whereas SUMIF sums all the 5s up as the numbers they are 5 and gives you 85. Thank you for watching.